Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add STC Pay in your hunger station. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your hunger station app and simply tap on the three dots option on the bottom left hand side of the corner. So once you tap on it, you will be now redirected to a different kind of interface where you can find different kind of options. So simply tap on HPay, and once you tap on HPay, you need to simply select payment method. So once you have selected payment method, you can simply link your HTC Pay with your Hunger Station app to add your STC Pay in Hunger Station. By adding your HTC Pay on Hunger Station as your payment method, you can place your order and pay with the help of HTC. So from this way, you can simply add HTC Pay in Hunger Station. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.